Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Yasin, Edwards College, Peshawar, Pakistan. Dear students, today we will start chapter number 4, first year mathematics. The chapter name is sequence and series. First of all, I will explain the idea of sequence, then series. Now we define what is sequence. Definition: sequence is also called progression. So sequence, it is an arrangement of numbers, objects, letters, alphabet, etc. according to some definite rules or principle. It is the simplest and easiest definitions of a sequence. Sequence, it is an arrangement of numbers. For example number 1, 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. It is the example of a sequence of numbers. 1, for example, in each case if we add 2 with each number, 1 plus 2 it is 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. It is a sequence and it is the sequence of odd numbers. Second example, objects. For example, there is a ball. For example, it is a cricket ball, and in the second position there is a football, there is a baseball, next there is a again cricket ball, and the next is again football, again baseball. Clearly in this case the objects are cricket ball, football, baseball, cricket ball, football, baseball. It means that there is in this position also there is a cricket ball, football and bear. It is the example of objects, maybe letters, etc. So simple sequence, it is an arrangement of numbers, objects and maybe letters. Letters or alphabet. For example, there is a name Ali, Aslam, Ali, Aslam, and up to so on. It means that there is Ali, Aslam, Ali, Aslam. These are the example of the sequence. In this chapter we will introduce the 3 types of sequence. First one is types of sequences. First one is arithmetic sequence, second one is geometric sequence, and the third one is harmonic sequence. First we will explain the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. A stand for arithmetic, S stand for sequence, or AP, arithmetic progression, because sequence is also called progression. Mathematically form of this type of sequence is A1 plus D. It means that there is a fixed number add to the previous one, this is D. A1 plus add D plus D, 2D, 2D plus D, this is 3D, up to so on. Last is A1 plus n minus 1 into D. It is the general form of this type of sequence. What is the definition of arithmetic sequence? The sequence in which we add a fixed number to the preceding terms. For example, A1 plus T, A1 plus T, A1 plus T plus T, this is A1 plus 2D up to so on. The difference between two consecutive terms is D, same. This is first term, this is first term is A1, this is second term, this one is third term, this is fourth term up to so on, and this is nth term. For example, if we subtract second term from the first one, second term is A1 plus D minus the first term is A1. So, after simplification there is a D. If we subtract third term from second term, third term is A1 plus 2D minus second term which is A1 plus D. This is A1 plus 2D minus A1 minus D. So, after simplification this is D. So, this D is called, this is called common difference. Common difference in general defined as, if we continue in this way, this is an minus 1, this is equal to D. For example, there is 3 and there is 2. So, there is generalized form is n, there is n minus 1. So, the sequence in which the difference between two consecutive terms is same, this type of sequence is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. The general formula in this case is A1 plus n minus 1 into D. An stand for general term, this is called nth or last term. A1, this is stand for first term. N, numbers of terms, how many terms are there, we will define from n. N stand for number of terms, and D, this is common difference. This is common difference. Why this is common? Because it is same, it is the same difference between two consecutive terms. For example, there is a sequence 1, 5, 9, 13. It is the example of arithmetic progression, because in this case 5 minus 1, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 13 minus 9, 4. So, this type of sequence is called arithmetic progression, because in this case the difference between two consecutive terms is same, which is D. In this case D is equal to 4. It is the some basic idea which is related to the arithmetic sequence. The next type is geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, or this is also called progression. Progression means sequence. Geometric progression, in this case the mathematically form is first term a1, second term is a1 or multiply with a1. So, this is a1 or, another or multiply with this second term, this is a1 r square, another or multiply with this one. So, this is a1 r power 3 up to so on. Generalized form is a1 r की power n minus 1. What is geometric progression? In case of geometric progression, the next term is obtained if we multiply a fixed number with the preceding terms. For example, a1 multiply with r, this is a1 r. Next a1 r is multiplied with r, this is a1 r square up to so on. In this case, r is called common ratio. What is the property of this type of sequence? In this case is if we divide second term by first term. In this case, this is first term, this is second term, this is third one, this is fourth one, and this is nth term. So, a2 in this case is a1 or first term, this is a1. After simplification, this is equal to r. If we divide third term by second term, third term is a1 r square and the first term is a1 r. After simplification, this is r up to so on. Generalized form of common ratio is an divided by an minus 1, and this is r. So, what is geometric progression? Such a progression in which if we divide the next term by the previous term, this gives us a constant number which is called common ratio, and it is denoted by r. This is, in this case, r is common ratio, and in this case the general term is, formula is a1 r की power n minus 1. General term mean if we generate this type of sequence, for example, put n is equal to 1. So, n1 1 minus 1. So, after simplification a1 is equal to 1, which is first term. If we find second term, replace n by 2 a2, a1 r 2 minus 1, this is a1 r, this is second term, and it is the general formula for the geometric progression. In this case, an is general term, gt stand for general term, a1 is ft, this is first term, and r, this r is called common ratio because this value is obtained by the division of second term with the first or third by the second, or simply the it is the number which we obtain by dividing the next term to the previous one. This is called common ratio. Common ratio must be not is equal to 1 and 0 in case of geometric progression. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. It is the example of geometric progression. How? If we divide second term by first one, second term, third term by second term, and the next one is divided by previous one. In this all cases, this gives us 2. In this case, 2 is called, this is called common ratio, and it is denoted by r. So, it is the basic idea of geometric progression. Dear students, the third type is harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. Harmonic progression basically it is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. For example, if there is a sequence 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 5, 1 over 7. If we take reciprocal, the reciprocal of 1 is 1, 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3, and 1 over 5 reciprocal is 5, 1 over 7 reciprocal is 7. It becomes arithmetic progression. So, if the reciprocal of a progression of the arithmetic progressions, if the reciprocal of the harmonic progression gives arithmetic progression, it means that the given progression, this is harmonic progression. So, it is all about the types of basic 3 types of geometric, arithmetic, harmonic and geometric progression. There is another types of progression or sequence is also called finite and infinite sequence. Finite and infinite progression or sequence. Finite mean if the first and the last term is known of a sequence, this is called finite sequence. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this case, the first term is A1, which is 1, and the fifth term, in this case it is last term. So, first term is known and the last term is known. This type of sequence is called, this is finite sequence. In case of infinite sequence, if the first term is known and the last term is not known, or the last term is known and the first term is not known, this type of sequence is called infinite. For example, 1, 4, 8, 16 up to so on. The first term is 1 but the last term is unknown. This type of sequence is called, this is infinite infinite progression. There is another sequence, for example, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last term is known 4 but the first term 0. So, it is not a first term because before 0 there is another number -1, -2 and up to so on. So, it is also the example of infinite progression. So, if the first and the last term is known, this type of sequence is called finite, and if the first and the last term is not known, this is called infinite progression. It is all about the types of progression. Next time we will solve exercise related to this type of idea. To be continued. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.